Natural, sustainable, rot-resistant, durable. Hi, I'm David Farrell, owner of Endgrain Design and Reclaimed Lumber, located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I'm here to tell you about Black Locust Lumber, the best choice for your next outdoor project. The history of Black Locust goes as far back as the Jamestown settlement. It was prized for being rot-resistant, which is why farmers still use them today for fence posts. Unfortunately, over time, due to its rapid growth and troublesome working characteristics, it became considered a nuisance tree. But now, this native Pennsylvania tree is making a comeback, and it's used for residential and commercial ventures for its uniquely environmentally friendly properties. We care about sustainability. That's why we start with rescuing our black locust wood from sources such as firewood processors, fence manufacturers, and even the mulch and pallet industries. Working with black locust can be extremely challenging, but we found a way. Once we get our black locust logs, we take them to the sawmill where they are cut into rough cans, and then they are ready to run through the molder to be shaped to the correct size. The next step is cutting the blocks to the desired thickness.
There are a lot of advantages when you compare black locust wood against other options such as ipe, pressure-treated pine, and composite decking. Compared to, for example, ipe, sustainability is non-existent. Black locust takes an average of 40 years of harvest cycle, but ipe can take hundreds of years. Pressure-treated pine may be moderately sustainable, but uses chemicals to promote proper forestry maintenance. Composite decking is the least sustainable with a high environmental impact due to its use of petroleum with no biodegradable cycle, creating hazardous waste byproducts. And as for durability, black locust also outperforms. Pressure-treated wood is rot-resistant, but only because it uses chemicals to maintain its rot resistance, again, creating dangerous waste byproducts. Outdoor projects made of black locust are not only sustainable, but naturally rot-resistant and durable compared to these options. It may surprise you to know that several cities have turned to using black locust wood block pavers from Endgrain Design for roadways. Cities such as Chicago, Cleveland, and even our own Philadelphia.
Philadelphia is getting part of its history back.
It was recently announced that Camac Street, a small historic street in Center City, will be returning to its roots.
They're blending the old with the new. The 200 block of Camac Street, which is between Locust and Walnut, will soon be wood again. This picture is courtesy of the Library Company of Philadelphia. It shows the street in the early 1900s paved there in wood. Work has now already began to rehabilitate the street back to its roots. Today, the street is closed off to vehicle traffic and is little more than an alley, but that will soon be changing as the wood will be restored, making it the only street in Philly and only a few in the country that are paved with wood.
Our best example is 200 South Camac Street in Philadelphia. We rescued and manufactured all 14,000 blocks for this project. The pavers we used at 200 South Camac Street are as strong as concrete, and they'll last longer than stone, brick, or even asphalt. And when asked how long these wood pavers will last, Chicago's Wooden Alley has already been there for 15 years and is still holding up to Chicago's weather. The unique grain patterns of the black locust pavers in Camac Street mesmerize visitors. And over time, that beauty will only enhance as that black locust naturally ages and takes on dark and rich tones that complement that urban landscape. This is why black locust wood is an excellent choice for your next outdoor project, whether it be plank decking, patio pavers, or outdoor furniture, or even planters. So let us help you achieve those projects by supplying you with the most natural, sustainable, and rot-resistant option there is.